I take a few moments to highlight some of the extraordinary achievements over the last year. Elaine Thompson hero created history several times during this year. She won the 100 and 200 meters at the Tokyo Games to become the first woman to win the sprint double at separate Olympic Games following her outstanding performances at Rio in 2016. She won the Loris World Sportswoman of the Year award, first Jamaican to do so, and is the fastest woman alive. Elaine, Shelley and Fraser Price and Sharika Jackson made a clean sweep of the medals in the 100 meters in Tokyo, and all helped Jamaica win gold in the 4x100 meters relay. Hansa Parchment became the Olympic sprint hurdles champion as Jamaica ended the Tokyo Games with 4 gold, 1 silver and 4 bronze medals. Team Jamaica finished with 11 medals and a world record at the World Under-20 Championships in Kenya. Fraser Mcconnell drove into history, becoming the first Jamaican to claim a supercar victory in the Rally Nordic Championship. Out of a field of 10,000, Sarah Messier was one of the top 4 Formula women drivers to earn a spot on the DTO Motorsport team that will compete in the GT Cup Championships. Young Alex Powell became the first Jamaican and first person from the Caribbean to win an FIE karting race. Rear Admiral Antoinette Gorman became the first woman to be appointed Chief of Staff of the Jamaica Defense Force, joining a list of our country's most celebrated women, who are called barrier breakers. The contribution of Taki, the 18th century leader of the first and one of the most significant wars against slavery in this country. So impactful was this war that it inspired the Haitian Revolution. And earlier this year, my ministry petitioned the Governor General to declare Taki Day each year on April 8th, a fitting tribute during Jamaica's 60 celebrations. Out of many one people, we have chosen as our motto. And very true it is. All of us should be proud of the example of racial harmony which we have set for the rest of the world.